Liyanda msinyana ilanga lebusika ngikho nje uzwa ngebika lethu bona sesingaphakathi nezamahwacela nje sesiNdebele nanzi ezithutshileko.
Given this glaring contradiction, the judgment simply cannot stand.
The presence of people who are not members of the royal family would create problems for the lawfulness of that meeting.
Isekhotho namhlanje yombango ukuthi ubekwa kwengwenyama yamaZulu uMisuzulu kaZwelithini kuthathwe njengelize lakolize.
It's very rare you get somebody who's extremely good in theater and again extremely good on television.
Solo akujayeleki bona ulele ubuthongoba nomphelo umlingisi wekhethu uPresley Chweneyagae njengoba nana abantu solo bangena bayaphuma emkhayeni wakwaChweneyagae.
Not even animals treat fellow animals like that. As a human race, how did we get here?
Ekhabo lomntazana obekafunda eUniversity yeVets obulewe umuntu wakhambe naye bayozigedla sakwasana kokuthoma bathi ngitsho nenyamazana ziyenzi lento eyenziwe ngabanye abantu. Nasele zihagele kuhle indaba zifahla amakhaza zize kuwe bunqopha ku SABC1 ngesiNdebele akwande sitshaba sekosi. Ikhotho yezokudluliswa kwamacala eBloemfontein beyilalele isibawo sokuzibilayeza sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ophikisa isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko sokuthi kuthathwe njengelize lakolize ukubekwa njengengwenyama uMisuzulu kaZwelithini ebukhosini besitshaba samaZulu. Igqwetha uAdvocate Thabani Masuku ojamele umntwanenkosi umbonisi Bhekithemba kaBhekuzulu ungange ngelithi umndeni webukhosini udinywe ilungelo labo lezamasiko kunye nomthethosisekelo kuba yingcenye laba bazokutsho bona ngubani oyingwenyama yesitshaba samaZulu.
Igqwetha lomntwanenkosi umbonisi Bhekithemba kaBhekuzulu uAdvocate Thabani Masuku utshela ikhotho yembilayezo bona kunobufakazi obaneleko obuveza ukuthi amalungu omndeni aqhakathekileko akhethululwa nakukhethwa ingwenyama yamaZulu kanti lokho kukhambisana nesingongoyilo sabo ngomthetho wesintu. uMasuku ufaka isingongoyile esithi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uphambukile ngokukhuluma nongqongqothe wezombuso ohlanganyela kwaphela wabhalelwa ukukhulumisana noNdunankulu kwaZulu-Natal. Ungangengelithi uMengameli ubhalele kulandela umthetho wezamasiko.
Even if you were to find maybe 3 members of the royal family that are identified as the core group that can be involved in the identification of a king, the presence of people who are not members of the royal family would create problems for the lawfulness of that meeting.
Igqwetha elijamele isilo uMisuzulu kaZwelithini uAdvocate Thembeka Nqukayitobi ungangengelithi isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko eHlagwini eGauteng besiphambukile njengombana siyaziphikisa.
Given this glaring contradiction, the judgment simply cannot stand. You have to scratch out the second part of the judgment so that it's a judgment that is internally consistent beginning and end.
Igqwetha elijamele uMengameli uMarumo Moerane utshela ikhotho yokudluliswa kwamacala bona uMengameli uRamaphosa ulandele ikambiso yomthetho neyomthetho wezamasiko nakakhupha isitifiketi esikhambisana negadango lomndeni ubukhosini owakhetha uMisuzulu njengengwenyama etsha yesitshaba samaZulu begodu nekhotho ephakemeko yakwaZulu-Natal iqinisekise isimemezelo esinjalo.
Far as the government is concerned, this appeal concerns the constitutional and statutory limits of the president's role in recognizing a person as king of a traditional community after that person has already been identified under customary law.
Icala liyaraga.
Angenangenile amezwi wokuchiriya emndenini kaMakadebona kezepolitiki uGertrude Shope. uShope ubhubheya neminyaka ema-99. Ilunga le-ANC elingumakekere uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma uthi ukulwela ikululeko nokusebenzela isitshaba zindlela ezifaneleko zokukhumbula uShope. uDlamini Zuma noShope babahlangana nabomma bokuthoma baba amalunga weParlamente ngemva kwamakhetho wango-1994.
ANC ezivakatshela umndeni wakwaShope ukuyokubalilela nguLindiwe Sisulu umphathi imali wehlangano uDr Gwen Ramokgopa kunye nosihlalo wephiko laboma be-ANC eGauteng uFaith Mazibuko. uDokotela Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma uthi ukusebenzisa insetshenziswa ezikhona enahakazini yeAfrika ukuthi kuzuza abantu indlela efanele ukukhumbula abahola abafana noMawushope.
She was very humble. Humility was one of her values that she lived. She didn't just say, she lived.
Isekela likaNgqongqoshe wezobudlelwane bamazwe ngamazwe uThandi Moraka uthi yikulu indima elinywa nguMawushope ekuthena aboma nabo babe senkhundleni zobuholi.
Today we see women in leadership role. We see women playing their efforts in the mediation and peacekeeping efforts in the continent and globally because of the women of the caliber of Mashope.
Umntazana kaMawushope uthi kunenga abantu abatsha bangakufunda indimeni elinywe ngummakhe.
Mommy loved unity, unity of people, unity of South Africans. And she always used to give an example. You know, abang basonta ko Anglican, babang Roma, babang this, babang that. But we get together, we don't fight. Why is it that when it is in politics, we can't work together?
Uzokuphekelela kuboyisa omkhulu amalanga naka-31 inyanga le ngokwekambiso yembusweni yesigaba sokuthoma.
Umndeni womlingisi owaziwa iphasi lonke uPresley Chweneyagae ongasekho ephasini uthi umlingisi lo uthethwe kugula kwemvelo nokho abasoli bona kunesandla somuntu. uChweneyagae ubhubhe izolo ngemva kokuba nomraro wokuphefumula besizo elihabako babiziwe kodwana bese lekubhalile uyokubekwa ivekeza ngomgcibelo.
Leli langengeze lasuleke emlandweni welizwe lekhethu mhlazana ifilimu lekhethu Itsotsi lithumbi Oscar Award ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle kwakulithabo lodwa eMzansi leleke nje ikutana yekhethu baphuma bangena abantu emkhayeni wakwaChweneyagae bobalilela ngokulala kwendodana khona kuzokubanjwa inkonzo embili zesikhumbuzo zomlingisi lo enye izokuba ngeveke ezako ngelesibili eMahikeng bese enye iba sePitori ngelesine kiyiveke ezako abalingisi egada sebenza nabo thebona kuzwakala umkhosi nabo beqamsinyana bayokulila kwaChweneyagae kusikime ngitsho nomakekere kezokulingisa uDokotela John Kani othumswa kwaChweneyagae besithakhi kulingiseni bachona kalingisako wawuzomkhohla ukuthi uyalingisa udoswe likhono lakhe.
It's very rare you get somebody who's extremely good in theater and again extremely good on television and in film. He had that gift. He gave of himself, his life to this industry. And I feel that by his death we lost.
The first production he did was Jack in the Box, you know, and we knew then that there's a special talent. He was just amazing. What you see him doing now, where he's able to, he can improvise anytime.
Nabatlamba amafilimu bathi bomnikela indima bona ilingisa uChweneyagae akuchiwe urarekile.
He was as magical as the many characters on screen, and I think one understand their loss because even us who knew him personally felt an even greater loss.
Nakumlayezo yokulilela bakwabo zolingene njalo ivela kude neduze.
It was a chance to do a feature film.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibayobona usiphe umqwanyana ozamkhumbula ngawo uKhobdisi asizwe bona uzamkhumbula nakathini.
Bekaza kushaya nge-massive English asithandela massive food. Hey, i-SABC mkhathi ngathi ngasidabula kancane ngomovie loya weTsotsi this weekend ke simhone mkhathi.
Lethi bekimjabulela nje nagcoke isigcobo nathi yes we are dealing.
Mina ngimkhumbula lokho nakathi khana king lina la ice cream ya lina la mkhukhulu sharp roof so ngimkhumbula khulu wangathi umoya yakhe ungalala ngokuthula.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Nasibuya eNtolo.
Hayi sale monaka azama hakina boroko.
Imindeni ekwetshwa intumbu ezintathu zemakhabo zisemochara nanje isalindile ukuthola bona alo ilinde bekubenini ngoba kwanje sikhona sesikade eside khulu. Indaba sekhona mbukeli kazina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Ukujamiselela khonokho kwesikhundla sikaSosibebe we-MK Party uMzwanele Manyi okwenzeke izolo kukhuthazwe lihlelo lihlangano le ingasikho okhunye okumbi akwenzileko esikhundleni sakhe. Lokhu kuvezwe nguNobhalazo Mbelele wehlangano le uFloyd Chivambu namhlanje nakakhulumisana nomhleli wendaba zepolitiki lapha kwa-SABC uMzwanele Mbeje eJohannesburg. uChivambu uveze nemraro embalwa ebalahlangana indaba yokusebenzisana ne-EFF nokusebenza kwehlangano le eParliament.
Ngelesibili uMzwanele Manyi unikelwe incwadi evela kusekela likaMengameli we-MK Party uJohn Hlophe emkhupha esikhundleni sakhe sokuba ngusosibhebhe wehlangano le ekusikhundla asibambe ukusukela enyangeni ezilithoba ezidlulileko. Kanti ujanyiselelwe nguSpeaker waphambilini womkhandlu weJohannesburg uColin Makhubele. uShibambu uthi isiqundwesi asihlobani nokumbi okwenziwe nguManyi.
For an organization that is still at the formative stages, there will always be strategic and tactical considerations as to the composition of its leadership collective. And not because someone who is in a position is doing wrong or has done wrong.
NgeParlamente uShibambu uthe batsho iMK Party nayisaqalene nokufaka isandla ekwakhiweni komthetho kufanele ngakelinye ihlangothi ikwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wayo. Kanti uyiphayile nendaba yokuthi batsho iphimbo lehlangano le njengehlangano ephikisako esibetha emthethweni lithulisiwe.
Those attention, you realize that there is a lot of work that is being done and there is a lot of policy positions and propositions that we got from our representatives which get to be submitted in the Standing Committee on Finance, in the Defense Portfolio Committee, and a variety of other interventions as well as to just what should happen.
Nakusenjalo endabeni ye-MK Party ne-EFF kuyaphambili uShibambu uthi inkulumo zokuhlaba uzuma ngokuthi batsho akakahleli okuhle ngokubumbanisa inhlangano zabantu abanzima ziyarara ngombana inhlangano ezizombili zihlanganyela ngaphakathi kwesigobotshani sinye. Kanti uyelelise ukukhula kubaholi benhlangano zepolitiki ukwenzela ukusombulula intshijilo ilizweli eliqalene nazo. uShibambu ubuye wahlathulula nekhambo lakhe langegudi lokuvakatshela isondo lomfundisi uBushiri eMalawi. Wathi batsho ikhambeli bekulikhambo lakhe langeqadi elingabambi iMK Party. Uthi selibhadi lokuthi estatimende esingakhambisani nekhambeli sakhutshwa ngabanye abangaphakathi kwehlangano le. Kanti uhlabe kumbi amaSewula Afrika ebekavakatshele America wathi batsho bekunokuhloyana ngokobutshaba.
Bekhabo lo mntazana weminyaka emachumi amathathu ubudala obulewe yindoda akhambe athi uyozigedla nayo sakwazana kokuthoma basazama ukwamkela isehlakalwesi. Isidumbu sikatatelo sitholakele silahlelwe eLombard West ngaphandle kweAlexandra ema-aweni ambalwa ngemva kokubana aphume nendoda le ebeyitshayela ikoloyi yehlobo le-VW Polo ngosondo.
Belilanga lesidlo sokuthoma sika Olerato Mungale nendoda eyaziwa ngoJohn liphele ngebanga amathluwo. Lo mfundi weUniversity yeVets akhanga abuya saphile eflatini yakhe eseJohannesburg. Umndeni wakhe usenhlungwini.
Going to take many years of healing, conversations, connecting, questioning, because even some of the scriptures that we quote for strength, especially for her mom, are scripts that would tell you that even in this situation, God is in it. And you ask yourself, what kind of God would allow for such a thing? Could it be that perhaps we've allowed the devil so much in our midst that we've normalized sending RIPs? And it truly is just so devastating for any parent to see their child in that state.
Umungale kuthiwa batsho wahlangana nendoda le endaweni yangikhabo eBloemfontein esifundeni seFree State. Waya eJohannesburg ekukulaba hlangane naye khona. Ngaphambi kokuthi ayokuhlangana nendoda le ubawa abangani bakhe ukuthi banande bamhlola. Kodwana ngemva kwama-hour ambalwa isidumbu sakhe esibulanzi sitholakala silahliwe ngaphandle kwendlu eLombard West.
I believe that not even animals treat fellow animals like that. That there's ways in which we coexist, even in the animal kingdom. And as a human race, how did we get here?
Umphakathi weLombard West usathukiwe nanje ngemva kwesehlakalo esithusako abasibone ngemva kwamadina ngosonto.
We're probably planning to dump him in the bush or near the river because this area is notorious of such incidents.
Lindeleke bona abekwe ngosonto eBloemfontein.
Sakudlule inyanga ezimbili kwetjiwa intumbuza abantu abathathu emochara yeKuruman eTlagwini Kapa. Zintumbuza amadoda amabili nesomntwana omntazana ezetjiwa emochara imutiwo wabuphilo funeral parlor ngoNdaka imndeni yalila.
Kusasa indaba erare umuntu wonke indaba yokunyamalala kwentombi endathu emochara emuthiwa wabuphilo. Kuzwakala bona amadoda amabili angena ekamureni labogadi wemochara le babetha bogadi badlulela ngemochara bayokwaba intombi endathu. Umo wabhujelwa yindoda isidumbu sayo nanje esisanyamaleleko ulila kabuhlungu.
Khani ke tshwere ke di ha go lata di sokori di ako godimo le pelo ke a boa kwa go dingake. Ga hela ke tsena ko ba re ha go lata ke go godimo. Ke ba ke stress se ke mono go shwa. Ga ke robale ga ke na boroko. Ha e sale monna ka a tsamaile. Hakina boroko.
Umfobo lakamufuthi bafuna ithambula kwabo liyokubekwa la kulele khona bekhabo.
Business ya motheo e tsweletse pele. Bara mangate ba siame bone business ya bone ya tswelela. Rona re le bara batswadi le familia ra segopolo re dutse ka pelo tse di botlhoko ka ngwana ro. Mo ile gore re shebile gore no yana nga ba setse re molokile re itlhobogetse.
Kusase njalo ihlangano yabangcwabi iFuneral Industry Reformed Association isola bona bulele sobo yinto yahlelwako.
The only conclusion that we could get to is that the deceased was stolen either for muti, medical purposes, occultism or competitors.
iSABC ithindela nemndeni ibhujeleko yabo isikhathi nokunikela indawo yokucabanga ngalento ebehleleko. Amapolisa kuphuna ngorana uyikhulu lenkulungwana zamaranda kunanyana ngibani ongabasiza ukubopha basola iphenyo leraga.
Ezemali iranda lenzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Asizwe bona uzihlahla uphethe ziphi ke zibuya nabazumi. Isihlahla kuhlwile.
Siyathokoza bonke silojisa umbukelo usekhaya ngolosithathu namhlanje lihlelo elikhethekileko siyokutsheja ituthuko elethwa lapha ke endaweni yeVerina kumasipala weThembisile thiwabatsho kulethwa iVerina Smart City. Kilokhu ke siyokhulumisana nosomkhandlu wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu esifundeni seMpumalanga umhlonitshwa uSpeedy Mashilo. Ngakelinye ke ihlangothi ukhona uPhilip Mangweni Mahlangu. Ngibo ke esizokhulumisana nabo nomlaleli siyomnikela ithuba ngaba nombuzo namtjana abe nomfakela kilokhu esikhulumela phezukwakho kiletuthuko elethwa lapha kumasipala weThembisile eVerina. Sithokoza ithuba.
Siyathokoza njenganje Chidang Chudule sichithela ubusayi nobujamo bezulu.
kwamambala bongo isikhathi sakhona lochane ekhaya nakya umoya ochidela ngale ngeCape Town uletha lapha amathuba wezulu alinganiselwa ku60%. Sibona inkomba zomoya namhlanje siendambama lapha ephulukwane livale ngamafu. Kusasa ke kodwa umoya loya uyabuya ngale ngeCape Town amathuba wezulu wona yancipha nge30%. Lapha sibona ikungu endaweni zangale ke ngakubogqeberha kuthi ke iSouth Africa yonke njalo soloko isese nomoya. Nakya umoya omkhulu ngale ke ngeCape Town ozakwenza ukuthi kusasa kube namaza anamandla hle amakhulu abantu bacheche bayelele kilezo ndawo. Siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kanjani amazinga okuchisa. Sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng kulala kuvuke kumakhaza njengendaweni ezinengi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyaphola. Sibona lapha ke iPitori nge22 iJohannesburg nge20 Bronkhorstspruit nayo nge22 esifundeni sangaleke ngeLimpopo nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Phalabura yachisa iphulukwane nalapha eliphalale khona kupholile endaweni ezinengi zangapho kufuthumele iMpumalanga bonakala ke nayo ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza isikhukhuza siyachisa Middleburg kupholile emalahleni nge20 Mbombela ifuthumele nge-25 bomhlangana khona kupholile KwaZulu Natal ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuseKokstad lapho ke kuphole khona ngemva kwamadina kodwa nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza hle ngaleke ngePumalanga Kapa sibonile nomoyana uchitela umoyana lo wenza ukuthi isifunda sonke ngemva kwamadina pheze siphole siye ngokufuthumala emthatha nge-25 siyalapha ke ngeJingalanga Kapa iCape Town imakhaza pheze imini yonke nalapha kubo Cape Agulhas iMossel Bay ipholile ngemva kwamadina ukuthi lapha ke Beaufort West nge-20 nakhona kupholile ngaleke ngeTlhagwini Kapa sibona ke kupholile endaweni ezifana nalapha eDa kodwa ke Sutherland kumakhaza hle emini nebusuku imini yonke ngaleke ngeFreystata sibona ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iVelcom ipholile lapha ke Fixburg kumakhaza neBethlehem imini yonke ngokugcina sicala isifunda sangaleke ngeNorth West sipholile emini ngemva kwamadina kodwa ke ebusuku nekuseni naso njengeSouth Africa yonke kumakhaza abantu bambathe bafuthumela sibonane kodwa ngesikhathi silandelako Dido
Ziyalandela indaba zesizulu nge-awalekhomba kaningi kusasanga lesikhathi zizabe sikhona indaba zeSwati usayi sesingagoduka kwanjesi ukhubongile